Welcome back to Technique Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about how to count American Tango. We're going to do two different elements in how to count this. We're going to use rhythm, which is using slows and quicks, and then timing, which is using the numbers associated with the music. I'll do both parts too so we can kind of see an example. So using rhythm, which is very, very common to count American Tango using slows and quicks, because it makes a lot of sense at the very beginning, right? If we do the leaders part here first, going forward in the left foot, let's say you already know the basic. If you don't, you can find it on our site, ballroomfeed.com, and you can learn the basic for free. But the leader goes forward, 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 side, and they drag in this foot, right? If I use slows and quicks in the music, it would be slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And the reason we say slows and quicks is because slows in music get 2 beats, and quicks get 1 beat. So it's a really easy way for us to connect to the music without having to use numbers, which is nice. So I go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. So in terms of converting that to numbers now, my first step was a slow, so I go 1, 2. My second step was a slow, so I'm going to count 3, 4. And then I have 2 quicks, so I have 5, 6, and I drag this in with another slow, 7, 8. So that's how I would count the basic and transition our rhythm into timing. If I do it from the follower's part, she goes back, 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 right? And she's going to go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow with the same rhythm as the leader did, obviously, right? And if I convert that to timing and numbers, it's going to be 1, 2, because it was a slow, 3, 4, because it's a slow, quick would be 5, quick would be 6, and we drag this in 7, 8. This is the most basic way to dance American Tango, where you change weight on the first half of the slow, where you go onto it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From the follower's part, she goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are more advanced versions we'll have in videos later on where you could delay it a little bit more and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, called delayed slows. In all of tango, the rhythm changes a lot with every pattern. It's nice that the first few basic patterns have the same consistent rhythm, 2 slows, 2 quicks, and a slow. So if we learn like the corte is one of the first patterns, or a promenade to the left is one of the first patterns, it uses the same sequence in the rhythm, 2 slows, 2 quicks, and a slow, so it makes it easier to count. But as you start to get into the intermediate patterns, the more advanced stuff, the rhythm changes, so the combination of slows and quicks is different, which means you have to convert the timing differently in those dances. So for every slow it gets 2 beats, and for every quick it gets 1. And the more advanced you get, the more you can use timing, so you can be more specific and more staccato in the American Tango. I'm going to dance it to music for you now too, and I'll do the rhythm first and the timing on both parts. So we're going to do the rhythm first with the leader's footwork. 6, 7, 8, when I go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Go to the follower's footwork, going backwards now. 5, 6, ready, I'll go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. If I use timing, numbers, for the leader's part, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for the follower, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you so much for joining me on Technique Tuesday, learning the rhythm and the timing to American Tango. Check out our many other videos and more timing specific things. If you haven't learned this dance, we have the first 3 patterns for free on our website at ballroomfeed.com, and we have some more intermediate and advanced stuff you could of course join Ballroom Feed Pro for. But have a great day, and we'll see you next week.